sharp fade family, sharp fade. As we wrap up our bearish move. So I just want to go through analysis from what can I say, it's a recap of what we had during the week, and then what to expect in the following or coming weeks, right? As you can see, we even moved to higher time frames, like 4 hour now. We no longer in 30 15 5 minutes time frame, right? To hear to see the full perspective of the market, like to see the clear view of what to expect, right? Starting from here, we start our bearish from that level, and then we went so on and so forth, right, until this level where the market decided to have a breakout on our bearish trend, right, which it signifies, or it does what it shows us that we are no longer going bearish, right, which we explained on our previous videos. You can go on our YouTube channel, which is Notsi Markets, to see our previous videos where we explain everything. Now we just align everything, like what can I say, we combine everything now, because we explained that even we took those short positions, they were not precise to hold them, right? They were applicable to scalp only, as we are still in a bearish, not a bearish, a bullish trend, right? Although if we go further, more like on a higher time frame, currently we are still consolidating. Our market is moving. It is moving on a sideways direction. Since our last impulsive move was around 8 and 9th of April 2025. From there until 22 April, that's when that was the last time we had an impulsive move, right? So now we're still moving on a sideways. We don't have a clear pattern whether we're going for a downtrend or we're still going bearish, bullish, although our conclusion, we're still on a bearish, because our market is been shooting all along. Right now we have a sideways move, which is consolidation, right? Okay, so let's go back to our 4 hour time frame, right? On our 4 hour time frame, what we have here is that we had our bearish trend, which is a downtrend, right, which is been respected since when, from 3 July, from the 2nd or the 3rd of July, our pattern has been respected, right? Although, like, to be fair, our pattern started around from the 2nd July. It's been respected, right, until when? Until on the 11th of July, where the market decided to break the trend, right, which it signifies the end of bearish, right? That's a key point number one. We have a breakout on our trend line, and then secondly, we had this level right here, this key level, which is our higher low or lower high. I'm not sure, but one of the two higher low or lower high. We have this level right there, which caused this move to the lower low. It caused this lower low, and then this lower low managed to break what? To break that previous higher low, which it makes what? It makes change of character. We're changing the character from the downtrend to the bull side. And normally what we know is that whenever we have a break of structure or the change of character, we have to retest some of the levels, right? Because what I'm trying to say is that whenever we have impulse move, we have to get ready for a correction. For instance, on this level, we had an impulse move to the bullish side of the market, and then what? We had a correction to correct that impulse, right? To feel that impulse, right? Even on this level, if you can clearly see from this level to that level, we had an impulse move, right? That impulse move needs to be corrected. We might expect a pullback, right? And then another thing, we had a liquidity in this level, on this red line. We had a liquidity which was broken. And then normally whenever we have a liquidity, we must expect a retest, a pullback, right? So what's happening right there in this scenario? We have three levels, this level, and this level, right? And then we have another level there at the top, which it was we made it our strong, that was our strong level, which supported this bearish trend. This is our strong level. We this supply level here, the market might, we have two case scenario in this point, right? We might expect what? A breakout to the upside and then a retest above, which is going now to be a what? A demand. It's going to change to a demand, from supply to demand, or it will remain as a supply level, and then we might have a retest maybe on this level, either this level or this level or this level. We have these three levels, 1, 2, 3, to expect a retest from, right? So what you can do is that you have to leverage your trades, your trade. You have to leverage your trades in a right way, right? From this level you can enter sell, right? Your sell must be maybe, let me say for instance, like 0.01 with a standard lot size, right? And then maybe you'll put your stop loss around this level, and then you can, whenever your market reach this level, even if you don't put stop losses, right, to make everything fair, you can put your sell right here. If the market break even, you can put another sell right there. Even the market break even, you're going to put another sell there. You may put sell limits, like sell limit here and then another sell limit here, so that whenever you have a retest on this point, it can open your sell. Maybe we will have a retest again here, and then go break this level, and then your last sell limit will be engaged, and then we will go to the upside of the market, of the market. Our first scenario, we said we might have a breakout on this strong supply level. We might have a breakout and then a retest, and then we will further go, or we might reject right there on the spot and then have a retest and then a breakout, or maybe we will even break further, break to this point, have a retest, maybe go, or come to retest on this level, right? So we have levels 33, 37, and then we have another one 33, 24, and then the last one is 33, 12. those three levels, 2 or 1 of them will be retested, or 3 of them we will have a clear retest on those levels, right? So that's what to expect on the coming days or weeks, right? So you can hold, because another thing, we have this other trend line. Let me go to the daily, right? We have this other trend line, this one, which is opposing trend line for these two trend lines, right? This line is being respected from this level to that level, and then that level. We have 3 touch points, so which is, we can say it's our safety line for a bullish market. It's our safety line. The minute we cross that line, we break even on that line, we might have a retest here in this level, in this red box, and then we will go to a retest maybe around this level, and then we will go forward for a bearish. However, if it is still respected, we're still going what? We're still going bullish. Our trend line is still respected. And then another thing, last week, last week, S&P 500, Nasdaq, and then I think also US 30, they made the new highs, the new record highs, which is normally stocks, if I'm not mistaken, it seems like they are directly proportional, right? We might expect a new record high on gold. So what will happen is that, what to expect, I think it's a prediction, it's an opinion, not a fact. I think what will happen is that the sales that the buys that we are looking for, you can hold them until to that record high, which is 3,500 or above. Okay, but to be fair, you can hold them until this level whenever you cash those buys, which is our level of 34.48. The thing that makes me be confident enough that we might break even is that on this point, in this level, we can say we have a liquidity right there at the top. We have a liquidity that needs to be tested or to be broken, right? So whenever you cash those buys, I think those are the profitable buys, right? I don't want to lie. I'm confident enough to say so, right? But then, however, we all know that how the market behaves, right? We can have this prediction, and then the market will do the vice versa, right? So whenever you catch those buys, make sure as soon as you enter the profit, trail your stop loss inside the profit, so that you can trade your take profit open. You can make your take profit open, and then let's see how the market behaves, how the market reacts, and all that. Because today it's Saturday, the 12th of July. We are waiting for Monday opening and see how does the market behave, all that. Because next week Tuesday, we will be having a CPI. So I'm not sure how the CPI is going to behave or to act. Let's see and wait. I think maybe possibly if ever we can see the direction or everything, we will share that with you. So guys, please keep on visiting our YouTube channel. Set that notification button, and then subscribe to our channel. We will keep you posted with our analysis and everything. Currently VIX is not moving nice, though. We are running about 300 and something USD loss. Yeah, I think maybe next week I will do a video about YouTube and all that, our analysis. Or to be fair, I think next month, I will do video about VIX. Yeah. So for now, let's focus on gold and see how gold behaves. Yeah, that's what to expect. So I think I did explain everything. Yeah, whenever you have a question or anything, drop a comment, and then I will attend it as soon as I get a chance. So yeah, thank you. I'm signing out.